JavaScript functions. In the last exercise, you started to think about two key building blocks of JavaScript: functions and events. So let's review. Functions allow us to write a chunk of code once that can be reused over and over. Events allow JavaScript to respond to user behaviors like the user hovering their mouse over an HTML element or resizing their window. Events and functions combine to give JavaScript the ability to create interactive experiences. When an event is fired and a function is executed, this pattern is used again and again in web development to create interactive websites. So first, let's take a look at the JavaScript and index.html. The tag alerts the browser that the page contains JavaScript and separates the JavaScript code from the HTML code. First, change the JavaScript function of change color. Right here. Right here we can see script. Yeah, there's no other files. So if we look at here, we can look at like HTML. We also have the script, which is basically JavaScript. The JavaScript code in between the script tags, this tag alerts the browser that the page contains JavaScript and separates the JavaScript code from the HTML. Okay, find the JavaScript function change color right here. The function chooses a color from a list of colors. How does that happen? First, the get random color function generates a random series of numbers and letters to create a hexadecimal color code. It then saves the new color under the name new color. Okay, right here. So first it runs this and then it gives you a random color code, and that's the new color. Then on the next line, the document keyword accesses the page's background color and sets it equal to the new color. So document.body.style.background color equals new color, and the page's background color, and it sets, okay. Click run to move on to the next checkpoint and see how we can let a user change the color. Okay. The next step is to connect the change color JavaScript function with an event so that when we click on repaint button, changes the background color. An event is something that can happen in a browser like clicking or hovering with your mouse. HTML attributes can set events where the name of the attribute is the event and the value of the attribute is the JavaScript function that we want to execute. In this case, the name of the event is onClick, and we can invoke the function by calling changeColor. Paste the code into the opening tag of the button element. So the button element, so let's go here. I'm guessing it's right here. Okay, let's run it. Perfect. Now let's test out the functionality of the code that we just added. When you click the repaint button, the background color of the site should be reset at random. When you're ready, click the run again and move on to the next exercise. Yeah, that is so cool, guys. See, I'm clicking it. It's like a yellowish orange. Tell me if this is orange or yellow, I can't tell. Green, darker green, dark orange, red, light green, of green, yeah. This is like blue or purple, but yeah, I'm gonna hit run, and yeah, that's gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.